Hello, welcome to How to Draw Celtic Patterns. I'm your host, Jason Belchamber, and we are going to be drawing an interlace pattern from the Viking artifact called the Stenkerke Lillebjars 3 stone, which is a stone and it's a monument stone, and a church would have been erected there, which is what kirke means. And it's just like the kirkyard stones that the Picts in Scotland had. Anyway, this pattern is also found on the Larbro hammers, or the Larbro Stora hammers stone. First of all, we're going to construct a grid. Draw a line with your straight edge, and another line underneath, and then start drawing squares so that we can show you the method of this Triskele's construction. And it's interesting that this is a bit of a variant of a Triskele found on the Money Musk reliquary, which is a small casket, if you will, a small box found in the Scottish Museum in Edinburgh. And it's also a pattern that's found in Kells, and it's also found in the Book of Durrow. So now you've got your squares. What I want you to do is just lightly make an X in each square. When the artisans who drew these stones would have constructed them, they would have made them fit to this space. They likely used chalk to scribe the spine of the design, and then later on would have cut around the chalk to make it the interlace bas relief. Scotland, where a lot of these early Viking monuments are found, the ones with interlace are occurring after contact with the Celtic tribes of the Picts and the Britons and the Irish Celts. Alright, so we've got the X's marked. What I want you to do is just lightly scribe a halfway point. It doesn't have to be exact because we want to keep this fun. Alright, halfway on each spine. Great. Now, excuse me for a second. I'll show you how the pattern basically works. I'll start in the center and then move to the side. So, starting here, draw a curve like so, and repeat it here. Just make it nice and rounded. And try and keep it so it's now. From this line here, it's going to draw down here, go underneath here, and connect to here. And try and keep it so it's right in the middle here, the spine. Up there. Okay, so this one is going to do the same thing. So it would come down, cross right here, and then go back on the guideline up to there. Okay? Now the reason why I consider this a Triskele is because it repeats with every 3 steps, and the pattern repeats with every 3 blocks. So I'm going to start it here as well. Now we're just drawing the spine here of this design. This goes down. We'll repeat up here. Okay. This goes through, in between, and up here. This one comes down, 6 there, and goes right there. When we get to the ends, I'm just going to terminate it. So this will be the spine right here. And this portion too will be the spine. Great. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to use our pigment liners to trace around the edges of our spine in the design.